Hi everyone! So my name is Lydia. Welcome to my first YouTube video. This is like a simple everyday glam type of vibe, do you know what I mean? Matte skin, little wavy hair. If you want to get to know how I made it, then just watch it. I'm excited, I don't know why. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do something super simple. So simple that everyone can do it. You know, when I first take some concealer, I'm gonna look in the mirror over here, like. So how you all been enjoying lockdown? I've been loving it. I use my finger, by the way. I just find it easier to just go dab and spread it out evenly. Like, I know everyone uses like a brush, but I just find it easier. Zoom. Yeah, so I've been thinking it's been great. Like, obviously, like, it's been a really bad, like, I feel like something that's been so negative, it's given me so much time to do things that I would never do. I've been avoiding for like so many years. It's been like a good thing in that sense, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take the Bperfect, because I'm perfect. Joking. I'm going to take the colour Fade. I'm just taking a Morphe M433 brush. I'm just gonna I can't just focus on one thing at a time. Like, my brain is thinking all these things at a time. I'm thinking, oh yeah, I need to do my makeup. Oh yeah, what about the lockdown? Oh, what about this? What about that? This is my first time. Okay, give me a break. Super blended. Can you see? When I blend, I'm such a weirdo. When I blend, I don't actually go like, you know how people are like this? I'm feeling like patch flat. I'm gonna do liner. So what I'm gonna use is this Mehron paint palette. Okay, so it looks like this. The reason I'm using paints instead of eyeliner is because it comes out like super black. And this dries, so when you draw it on, you don't get like the smudgy line or anything like that, and it stays put. That's why I like using the paint. Also, one thing I'm super happy about going on at the moment is the whole Black Lives Matter. Like, I'm so happy that this is all actually happening. The one thing that really like surprises me is how so many people have been so oblivious to the racism and there's another word. Oh, I can't remember the word. There's a word. What's the word? I don't know, but I know what the word is. Okay.
One eternity later.
Prejudice, that's the word. I don't understand how people have been so oblivious to all of this, because it's been going on for so many years. Like, do people forget about the Black Lives Matter march that happened like years and years ago? How do people just forget about it and just carry on like nothing happened? Like, and then when all this whole thing happened, people are like, oh, I didn't know this was happening. Oh, I was so unaware. I'm like, how have you been unaware? Do you not see what happens in the news? Do you not see how much times people are getting killed and people being discriminated because of their race? Have any of you seen When They See Us? That hurt me. That literally tugged my heart so much. I literally wouldn't shut up about it for like weeks and weeks. Literally, I've watched so many things on like movies and stuff like that, but nothing. Literally, I struggled with that episode. Oh my hand. I think it's important for people to watch these things, you know, go educate yourself, because if you don't know what's going on in the world, go educate yourself. It's important to educate yourself. It's all love and peace and kindness. I'm gonna just do like a wing. It. A little sample wing, you know what I mean? I know what you mean. Oh yes. You know, I haven't left my house I left my house twice in 3 months. I feel like I'm hibernating to the point where I'm like, I don't know what society will look like again. Okay, cool. Let's do the other eyeball. Give me one moment. Oh. So, let me put some mascara. What is my mascara? I don't know. This is the L'Oreal Telescopique. I love this mascara. Best mascara I've ever used. I've used high-end, low-end. So I'm using the Smashbox Primizer. So it's supposed to be a primer and a moisturizer in one. Oh. My skin has been literally like crying. The first month of lockdown, I just didn't wear makeup. Actually, don't look at my nails. I decided not to wear nail polish as well during lockdown because we are fully detoxing. Is that the one? So I was like, I'm not painting my nails. I didn't wear makeup. I was like, I'm not gonna do my hair. Literally walking around raggedy as this. I actually like changed all my skincare and everything, and my skin literally was like the best it's ever looked in like the longest time. And then I started doing my makeup again and my skin is like crumbling. So I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm using this sponge. I think it's a Juno sponge. I prefer using the microfiber. I prefer using it so much more. And plus, you know what's so good? Because you know how you use normal sponges, they soak up all the product. This does not do it at all. Literally, it just sits on top of the sponge. So when you wash it, it just all comes out. You don't have all the gunk like stuck on the inside. It's perfect. I use my fingers. Like, do you think that's weird? That's gross. I don't even care. I don't like to put a thick layer. I like to put quite a thin layer of the foundation. I'm not like a full coverage person. My go-to is like medium, you know what I mean? Like, and I'll write like what shade and all I am in the description. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. I don't need no more of that. I'm a weird, like, I love accents. So I'm taking the Born This Way Melted Skull Container. So I like to just put a little bit. I don't like to use loads. Okay, I put some here, some there, I put some here, a little bit over here, and a little bit on my chin. And I say, hey, let's wait on your chin. I wonder what it's gonna be like to go back to work. Like, I feel like I just lost touch with the universe. I lost touch with like society. Like, I forgot what the outside looks like. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't like. I think it's gonna be really, really weird. Like when everything's first opens and you go into like a shop for the first time. Like, I like to try out my nose too. Very big nose. You wanna do that? All the way here. You know, it's hard for me to see actually. The light is so bright. So this is a My Kid Co 0.2 brush, and I love it. I'm just gonna take, so I can get close to my liner without having to touch the liner. The other side. So what shows have you guys been watching on Netflix? Oh. This concealer is so full coverage. The best concealer I've used in my life. Literally. Okay. Starting down it. Ah! I'm actually really excited for this because you know what? I hope. Leave me comments, guys. I want to get to know people. I want to get to know a different world. I literally do this for forever, like. So next step is contour. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 55 as a contour. Yeah, I already told you. I'll tell you up in the description. My memory's so bad. Do you guys know what's good for memory? Like, So I'm gonna use this brush. It's a PC18 brush. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna blend this out. So I do this thing. I want my contour to be up here. So I used to do it down here on my cheekbone, but then I realized that because my cheek was a bit chubby, it was like dragging out my face basically. Do you know what I mean? I was looking at pictures and everything on other people's makeup, and I was like, how come they have that sharp jawbone? How did they get that? Like every time I do the contour, mine's going all the way like chubby cheek. Like what's going on? Like why is my cheek looking this big? And I realized because I was doing it down here. So when I do it down here, it makes the cheek look this big. Whereas if I do it up above my ear, like here, you can see. You see, it goes exactly. Oopsie, I forgot about my forehead. Let me do the other side. Oop, oop. I just use 2 dots. 2 dotties. I'm just put it on the other side to keep it because I put. I know. It's okay. Do not worry. Do you know what? I find it so difficult doing makeup on the side of my face. I don't know why. Like this is my good side. This is my easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is my difficult lemon difficult. Then I'm gonna take back my sponge and I'm gonna just go over it all. That's it. So what I'm gonna finish is put my lashes on. Why did I forget to do that? I'm gonna use big ones. I got this whole stack of false lashes like this. Super cheap. They're like £7. Firm mink lashes, and they're such good quality. Taking the lauder Mercier Powder PC10 brush. This one peaches and cream, by the way. I'm just saying, yeah, PC blah blah blah. I'm not even saying what they are. So I'll let you take like the tiniest little powder. Just lightly put it under my eye. I'm using the Huda. The Huda Beauty. Hey. I'm literally gonna just. Oops. Literally gonna powder my whole face. I'm always, yeah, I forgot I was talking about Netflix TV shows. I finished watching that Sun and Sunset. Oh my days, that was funny. The drama. I can't deal with Christine. And Davina, I can't stand Davina. Probably did Chriselle so dirty. Why did I do her dirty like that? Like that was so fake, that whole drama thing where she was like, you spoke behind Mary's back. Well, you were asking questions. Yeah, but Davina was the one who brought it up. If Davina didn't want to speak about it, Davina should have told her straight up in her face in that moment, listen, I don't want to talk about it. Like, you got to ask Mary about it. But instead, she probably drew it out, was like, yeah, ask me more questions, why don't you? And then later on, snake her. Fawn snaked her, boy, she snaked her. These lashes are not drying. I had to brush them up. Our bright hairs. Just mash them off. Why is this glue taking 10 years to dry? Oh, this lash is too big. Well, you know what? We're gonna go with it. They are huge. Next up is bronzer. So I'm using this MAC mineralize powder. This is in the shade medium tan. I don't know what this is, a Real Technique one, but I know no number. The was contoured with the bronzer. And then I'm gonna take the same powder, but I'm taking a dark tan, so just one shade darker. That's exactly. So I got this new palette, right? This is the Scott Barnes one. Oh my days, the Chic palette. When I got this, I literally was like, this is too dark. Like, how do I show you? You get the gist. Anyway, this palette is literally like stunning. I think I'm gonna take this shade. Let's get little sweet cheeks. Little sweet cheeks. Where's my brush? So I'm taking a PC15 brush. I always dust a little excess off on my wrist. So it's not too much. So now I'm gonna spray a big. The reason I do the baking after this is because I wanted to clean up any mess that I make underneath. So I do that. Take it up, please. I just soften. So while I'm letting this bake on my face, I'm taking the Benefit brow, precisely my brow. This is like the small one. I'm gonna just draw it lightly on the front of my brows, through my brows. I always like doing my brows last because I feel like whenever you do like the powder and all those things like that, then it goes onto the brow. Like I don't get how people do their brows first, because then the makeup everywhere else goes onto the brow. Like I don't know, I just can't do it. I struggle. Then what I'm gonna do is take some brow gel. It's the MAC clear brow gel. I'm just gonna like so. Brush all the hairs up. The only annoying thing is it doesn't stay up like I want it to. I think I need to try the brow soap. Can you try my brow soap? I need mascara on the bottom. And actually I'm not gonna put I'm gonna keep it clean underneath my eye. I'm not gonna put eyeshadow underneath my eye. So I'm gonna use this brush, the Morphe M438 brush, and I'm just gonna, I feel like I'm gonna stick to the matte skin. I'm not gonna put highlighter. My skin's getting dry, so I'm gonna use dry but like, you know, get rid of that powdery. So I'm gonna take this Fix Plus. Drenched. Juicy baby. I'm taking lip liner. I'm taking this one here. Punchline. Oh my word. So every time I watch, like, obviously like the brand Beauty Cream, they're from Liverpool, I think. And every time I watch their videos, whatever, they obviously, I can't help but like personate the accent. I can't help it. I just love it. Punchline. This is the lip liner in Punchline. So I'm just gonna lip line my lips. Oh my words. Don't mock me for this, please. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this Morphe lipstick in the shade Bare All. It's a nude one like this. Perfection. And that is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Bye.